what's up? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new, please click subscribe, and if you're a regular, welcome to the house, welcome to the family, welcome back. So I tried on wool braids for the first time. I think I've never done them before, but continue watching to find out how I achieved this cute bomb look. Enjoy. This is not what I expected. Initially, I wanted like a long wool braids, but the wool was not enough. So I had to adapt, overcome, and improvise. Cause yeah, this is what I'm left with. So I'm going to cut the ends. I'm not sure if they're straight. I look like a mop. Anywho, I'm gonna cut them and then burn the ends. Okay, so my braids they're not straight. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I should burn them. So every single day, this is what I will do. I think I won't burn them. Oh, okay. Hey, okay. I actually look cute, guys. This is my go-to style for the rest of the month. 2 months, 3 months. You never know. Until I get bored. No, I actually like it. Okay, so that's it, guys, for the video. I hope you do like the video and you like these wool braids and you try them. I really wanted to do some long jumbo wool braids, but please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you like these and you think they're cute, even though it is reality versus expectation. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. It's free, guys. Thank you so much for watching.